Thanks for stopping in today. My name is Ray from Empire Digital, and in this short video, today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a discount in your Shopify store. With a discount, you can collect emails. Super important. You want to get these emails. Here's 64,000 customers, 100% of your customer base. This way you can do a email blast every couple of weeks. So let's get started. Everybody knows I like to keep my videos short and sweet, okay? Let's just go to the store. I want to show you the pop-up. Give it a second. It's going to pop up right here. Won't pop up. My pop-up's going to say, leave your email and we're going to give you a 5% discount. All right, let's go to the store. All right, log into your store, online store, customize, and you'll see right here, here's my pop-up. Okay. Happy holiday savings here. Save 5% on your first purchase using code 2025. By signing, you will receive a 5% discount and up-to-date sales event. All right, guys, let's do it. Boom. Let's go here. Pretty simple. Let's get out of customize. Let's set up your discounts. Here's my discount. So, amount of discount. Discount code. You put your code here. No matter what do you think it is, welcome. Just put a number in there. Percentage, I put 5%. No minimum requirements. Before I had $100, but I'm going to put no minimum requirements. If you did a minimum purchase amount, you can put the amount here, but I'm going to put no. All customers, limited times, this discount can be used. You could put one time, but I leave this empty. Combinations, enlarged discounts. I put it on order discount, so they'll get a 5% discount on the whole order. Active date, when I activated it. And that's it, guys. Short and sweet. Whatever you changed, hit save. And I think that's about it. So if we go back here, online store, customize. Once the pop-up comes, make sure you collect those emails, guys. Super important. Email blast, or a very good returning on investment. Pop-up, 5% discount. Pow. Let's go to a product. Top 5-star reviewed. Let's go to this bag. Add to cart. Put your discount code 2025. Apply. And there it is, guys. Short and sweet. Thanks for stopping in. My name is Ray, Empire Digital. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up or give me a like. And that's it, guys. Cut.